Okay, folks, welcome to the brownwoodacres.com website and the FruitFast homepage. Today we're going to take you through a quick little tutorial on how to order quite simply and easily. This homepage can be accessed at any time just by simply clicking on the word FruitFast right here, and you'll be able to navigate straight back to it at any time you like. But what we're going to do today, instead of taking you to the products and the individual products, we're going to take you over to the Buy Now tab. And when you click on this Buy Now tab, this is going to bring you up to the Express Checkout page. So if you'd simply like to order a handful of our products, this is where you want to be. So what we're going to do is scroll down here by simply tabbing down here on this little draw down tab here on the right, or just use the scroll wheel on your mouse. And from here we're going to just take a look. Here's the Cherry Flex products, and take a look at all the products we have. Here's the fruit juice concentrate category. So we have the tart cherry and the wild blueberry and so on. It goes all the way down to the dried fruit here toward the bottom. But for an example, I'm going to load up one bottle of the Cherry Flex soft gels right here. It says free shipping, so that sounds like a good deal. Let's do that. We'll go with one, and I'll just type in one on my keypad down here. And I'm also going to select 1 quart of cherry juice concentrate, and that's $29.95, shipping included. Now, so we have the shipping fee already included in this $29.95. So now I'm going to scroll all the way down and add one more product, such as a 1 pound bag of the Montmorency dried cherries. Let's go with the unsweetened variety. That's the way we like it. There we go. So we'll add one there. Now you can just simply click. Once you've done that, you can click on any one of these little update cart buttons. Doesn't matter which one. Just click on any one you like, and that'll take you over to the next page. Okay, so this next page is called the shopping cart page, which is kind of simple here. What you can do quite simply is monitor everything you have in your shopping cart, which would be one pound bag of the dried Montmorency tart cherries, no sugar added, and then 1 quart of the cherry juice concentrate, shipping included, and then 1 bottle of the Cherry Flex soft gel. So I am going to see that I have shipping included, or free shipping on the Cherry Flex soft gels, shipping included on the tart cherry juice concentrate, but on the Montmorency dried cherries, there is no sugar, but there is shipping. So what I'm going to do is just come straight down here to this click here to calculate button, and I'm going to select that. And I'm going to type in my state, which happens to be Michigan, and my postal zip code, which I've already typed in, 49627. And now I'm just going to calculate that shipping fee by clicking this button right here. And voila. Well, we have a handful of different shipping options. You could select UPS Ground, USPS, which means U.S. mail, priority mail. That's $5.80. That sounds like the deal of the day. You could actually click next day air if you should so desire, and you would have it on the next business day. Sometimes that means the following day. So that can work out real well. It just kind of depends on what day of the week it is. If it's Friday, it's not going to get there till Monday, so be careful with that one. Okay, so I'm going to select USPS priority mail at $5.80, and I'm going to choose that, and that's going to load that right onto my shopping cart. So I have my subtotal of $71.85 for the 3 items plus the $5.80 shipping. Real simple. Now from here I'm going to simply select my payment option, which today what I'm going to do is make it real simple and use the checkout using credit card. You can check out by using this Google checkout, or you can check out using PayPal, but instead I I'm going to suggest that you check out using the credit card button. You can also select PayPal a little later in the process as well. So I'm going to click this. And voila, here we are back to the here we are on the checkout page. Okay, so here we go. Now that we have the products loaded into our cart from our Express page, we're going to go to the Express checkout. So for existing customers, you're going to type in your email address that you have already set up here with us. Even if it's changed, you'll want to use your existing or your original email address here, and then type in your original password and click the login button. But for you new customers, we're going to make up an email for an example here, and that would be, let's say, Clem Bixby at gmail.com. And the password today is going to be tutorial. And we're going to create this new account by clicking right here. And there we go. So now that we have this semi-account made, we're going to type in our name here, which we said was Clem, and our last name is Bixby, and the address is 1234 Maple, and the city is Maple City, and that's going to be Michigan, even though that's not where I am actually. We are in Eastport, and we'll say that zip code is 49627. Now, to make it real easy, seeing how my bill to address and my ship to address is all the same, I'm just going to click this little button right here, and that way I don't have to fill all these fields in as well. So now I'm scrolling down. I'm going to type in how I heard about it. Well, I searched you out on Google or whatever. Now my payment info right here, I'm going to be using a credit card. You have the option here to use PayPal as well. But with this credit card field, there's a little drop-down menu right here which you're welcome to use, and please do. You have to be sure to select the proper credit card. If you're using a Visa, select Visa, MasterCard, and so on. So with your American Express, you're going to type in that number, which is 3737 and 45455, and so on. And then our card holder name is going to be Clem Bixby, so you're going to type your name back in right there as it appears on the card, and then the credit card expiration date will make up another number here, which is going to be 05 of 16, and then that CVV number, which on American Express card is a 4-digit number on the face of the card, and then for all the other cards, American Express and Discover and MasterCard, it's going to be a 3-digit number on the back. There's a little code right here you can read to find out where that is. So I'm going to type in 4321 for my code, and now it's asking for a coupon code. Well, doesn't everybody want a coupon code? At times we do run coupon codes, and this is something you should be aware of, and this is also something you'll want to have a notification of. So if you want that notification, you're going to click right here that says, yes, I want to join the newsletter. That's the only way you're going to be apprised of any of our coupons. We're simply not able to give those out otherwise or whatnot. So if I did have a coupon code, I'd click the apply button. I'd type in the coupon code. By the way, they're not case sensitive, so I'd type that in right here and I'd click apply. And I can see right here that my shipping has already been selected from the calculate shipping button. If I should have a change of heart though and want it next day, or want to change the shipping, you're certainly welcome to do that. Shipping instructions, get it here straight away. So let's come straight down here and make sure we have everything in the cart that we wanted, which is a 1-pound bag of the Montmorency unsweetened or no sugar added dried cherries, 1 quart, shipping included, of the cherry concentrate, and 1 bottle of the cherry flex. Our 2 top sellers, what a coincidence. And let's go right down here. We have $71.85 for a subtotal, shipping and handling $5.80. Grand total $77.65. Now all you need to do is click that submit order button and you are done. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, if you have any questions, you just give us a call on the toll-free number of 877-591-3101. We hope to hear from you soon, folks. If you have any questions, give us a shout. And thank you so much for watching.